Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will try to provide you with a range of fixes to fix your Windows 10 shutdown issues while wasting as little of your time as possible. I will show you multiple methods to fix it, since there generally isn't one solution which works for everyone. If this video doesn't fix your issue, it may be a hardware related issue or some other obscure problem. Disclaimer, I do not take responsibility for any damage or inconvenience occurring as a result of you trying these fixes. Follow this guide at your own risk. I hope it will be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it is. So, fix 1. Go to Windows 10 Search, type in Power Options, click on Power Options, click Choose what the power button does, click Change settings that are currently unavailable, and then turn off Fast Startup. If this doesn't fix your issue, proceed to the next step. The next step, or solution, possible solution, is to open the command prompt as administrator. You can do this by right-clicking on the Windows Start menu, then clicking Command Prompt in brackets admin. Or if you don't have that option there, you can always search it in the Windows search function, and then right-click and click Run as administrator. So you search Command Prompt or CMD in Windows Search, and then right-click it to run it as administrator. Once you're on there, type in power cfg.exe, so powercfg.exe space /hibernate space off, and then press enter. This command disables hibernation, which can fix shutdown issues in some cases. For me, when my computer wouldn't shut down, the lights would stay on and the fans kept spinning. The fix was actually to turn hibernation on, so definitely also give that a try. You can enable hibernation again by opening the command prompt as administrator again and typing in power cfg.exe space /hibernate space on. So this re-enables hibernation for you. If those fixes still don't work, go to the next fix. So the next fix is to go into Power Options. You can search Power Options in the Windows Search function. So when you click the katana symbol, you can search there. So go into Power Options, then change settings on the power plan that you use. Then click Change Advanced Settings. Then click on PCI Express. Click on Link State Power Management and turn it off for when your computer is on battery and when it's plugged in. See if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't fix it, go to the next step, which is to update and roll back the Intel Management Engine interface in the Device Manager. So right-click on the Start menu, click Device Manager, locate the Intel Engine Management interface. It should be under System Devices. Then once you're on that, right-click, go Properties, Drivers, and then update the driver or roll back the driver depending on which option you can do, and see if that helps. If it doesn't, continue to the next step. So this is the last fix, and this fix actually worked for me too in one occasion when I had this issue. So this is a bit of a less formal step because I'm not 100% sure which of the things I did fixed it. So I'm just going to tell you all the steps I did. Please note that this fix requires you to open up your computer, which you should do at your own risk. So step 1 is to remove the computer's power supply, battery and CMOS battery. Then hold down the power button for around 20 seconds while nothing is plugged in. Then plug in just the power cable, boot into Windows and then shut it down again. Then disconnect the power supply again and reinstall the CMOS battery, main battery, and once it is all put together, you can also connect the power supply again. Then try to start and shut down and see if the issue is fixed. So if none of these steps helped you fix your computer's issues, I would recommend you maybe take it to a computer shop, and I'd suspect it might be a hardware issue. So yeah, thanks for watching, hope you liked it. If it was helpful, please don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe, would be very great. I'm currently trying to reach 1K subs, And yeah, it's still a long road to go, but I'm getting there. So your help would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, thanks for watching again, and maybe see you in another video.